A very good evening students. In this video we will see class 6th chapter number 2 geography, globe, latitudes and longitudes. As you can see in the image that this is the earth. You can see this is our earth and how beautiful it is, right? So same like our earth we have a globe. What is globe? Globe is the true model of the earth, right? Everyone can see the globe and now everyone can see this earth. This is our earth, right? On earth we have a number of imaginary lines. As you can see, there are number of imaginary lines on the earth. Same is on our globe. We also have an imaginary line on our globe, right? But these all are imaginary lines. What I said, imaginary line. Actually these line not present on the earth, but just for our study we have make an imaginary line that are latitudes and longitudes. Now what we can see on the globe? We can see countries. Yes, we can see countries. We can see continents. Yes, we can see continents. And oceans. So you can see the blue color water. This all are the oceans. So this is globe, right? Now in this video we will discuss about the latitudes and longitudes. Now what are latitudes? Latitudes, all polar circle from equator up to the poles are called polars of latitude. What I said? All polar circle. This is all polar circle. You can see all polar circle from equator. Here it is equator up to poles. Where it is pole? Here we have a poles 90 degree are called polars of latitudes, right? All the circles from all polar circle from equator up to the poles are called polars of latitude. Now equator. Now where is equator? Here we have a equator. So equator, what is equator? You can see on the map. Let's take to equator on a map near India. So here we have a India and here we have equator. So equator and again another imaginary line running on the globe divide it into two equal parts. This line is known as equator. You can see the equator. Equator divide our earth into two equal parts. The upper part, this upper part is known as northern hemisphere and the lower part is known as your southern hemisphere. This is equator. Equator at 0 degree latitude. Next we have a Tropic of Cancer. You can see here Tropic of Cancer passing almost from the center of India. You can see the Tropic of Cancer and you can see India here. Tropic of Cancer 23 degree half north in the northern hemisphere. As I told, all the location above the equator are northern hemisphere and below they are southern hemisphere. So Tropic of Cancer 23 degree half north in the northern hemisphere, right? Now at the below Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn 23 degree half south in southern hemisphere. So this is your Tropic of Capricorn, right? Next we have a Arctic Circle. You can see here we have Arctic Circle. It is 66 degree half north, right? And Antarctic Circle. Let's go at the southern hemisphere. We have an Antarctic Circle at 66 degree half south of the equator, right? Now North Pole at the 90 degrees. So here we have a 90 degree at the center and this is our North Pole. And South Pole, let's go at the below. Here we have a 90 degree. So it is South Pole. You can see student here we have written S. So 90 degree S means 90 degree at South Pole. And same as with your 90 degree north. So it is 90 degree North Pole. These are your polars of latitudes, right? Polars of latitude, equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. These are your polars of latitude.